gonna go ahead, I'm gonna remove the protective paper from the side that I'm using. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and take my, I know, how dare her. I know. We're gonna take our ornament or our gift tag helper and lay it down on the blank. Get my squeegee and work any air bubbles out to the edge. All right, then I'm gonna flip it over, use my box cutter, and trim around the edge. This doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna pick it up and do the potato peel, like Balto calls it, around the edge. But just to get most of your vinyl off. And then we'll do the potato peel. Bye, Mindy. Have a great weekend. All right, I'm gonna take my razor blade and slowly go around the edge. Don't go crazy. You don't want to cut yourself. We just want to go ahead and trim any of the extra vinyl that may be hanging over the edge to get a nice clean cut edge. All right. Potato peel. Then I'm going to go ahead and take my razor blade. Do not forget this step because there's that little hole where you're going to put your ribbon or your gift tag. You want to make sure that that is cut out and you don't UV resin with vinyl over it, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and put it inside of the hole with my razor and slowly turn my gift tag around to get a nice, perfect cut edge there. Whites for all of my gift tags, acrylics, ornaments, all of that is always Pearly Gates white, and I mix it with Rainbow Platinum. It's literally just the perfect combination. So I'm going to go in with Pearly Gates white. It is a solid, fine white color. That's going to allow us to keep a lot of these details in our pattern. And I add a little bit of Rainbow Platinum just for some bling. I'm going to go ahead and mix that together to get the consistency that we like. So I like a thicker honey consistency. You don't want it too runny because you don't want it running off the edge, like that's too thick. If it's too thick, meaning you added too much glitter, it's not a big deal. All you have to do is add more UV resin. If you feel that it's too thin, not a big deal. All you have to do is add a little bit more glitter. Also. Hold on, let me pull up comments on my desktop because they're not showing up on my device anymore. So I'm not ignoring you guys. Come on, computer. All right. Good morning, Donna. Yeah, I couldn't see those comments on my end. I'm happy I pulled you up on my computer. All right, so I like this consistency. A thicker honey, not too runny. This is perfect for me. Really, Miranda? It says I have 62 people over there watching. All right, then I'm gonna take my UV resin and glitter mixture. Oh, Ilka, I wanna go see it. Mom or I can't find you. So where are people watching me? That's so weird. All right, I'm gonna take my UV resin and glitter mixture and put it on the same side that I applied my clear vinyl to. And I'm gonna take my very exclusive utensil and work my... Look at how pretty this is. Isn't that pretty, guys? How classy. I love this. All right, and then I'm gonna take my UV DTF and just apply my UV DTF on the front. You don't have to UV resin over it. You can if you'd like, but the UV DTF isn't going anywhere if you don't. So I kind of made my names on my sheet kind of like curved to go around the side. So I just added her on the bottom. Isn't that cute? Hold on, do you guys want me to? There you go. Isn't that fun? So you could seal over that with just solid UV resin, or you can leave it as is. So do you guys see how fast and easy that was? They're seriously so easy to do. Do we want to do another one? Do we want to do another one? Isn't that fun? I love this sheet. This is the sheet B607. I love everything on here. Like, look how cute that one is. Let's do that one.